Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website using the Mighty Sites platform for your driving school. If you're not familiar with the Mighty Sites service, Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, side hustles. That's what it was designed for those people in mind. It's super affordable, it's only $9 a month. There is a free trial available and you don't even need a credit card to try the service out. So go ahead, sign up below with the link and give it a bash, see how it works for you. So once you've gone ahead and signed up for the service, put in your email address and your password, you're going to get to a page that looks like this where you can build your website. So we're going to go ahead and search for the market. We're going to go ahead and look for driving school. There is loads and loads of different website templates available to you for different markets. If you don't see your market on the website, feel free to leave a comment below or drop us an email or a social media message and let us know which market you want us to add. We are constantly adding more markets every single week, but if you don't see yours, just feel free to send us a message and we will get that one added. So one thing to note with the Mighty Site service is everything is pre-written. There's images pre-selected for you to use. So we just want to make it super, super easy for your business to launch your one-page website. So let's go ahead and click on the driving school template. Okay, we're now going to reach a page that's going to ask us for some basic information on our website. That's super easy. So let's go ahead and put in our company name, Rochelle's Driving School it is, and the city you're in. So let's put in Denver and Colorado. No matter your location in the world, you can use the Mighty Site service. We're going to go ahead and select the type of business. There are different templates available, perhaps for a restaurant, retail, but this is a service available for your driving lessons. So we're going to go ahead and select that one and click continue. Wow. So literally look at that. Mighty Sites is literally generated, just taken your basic information you've put in and generated a whole one-page website for you, made it super easy, super simple. It's really, really amazing. And obviously, all these things on here can be amended to suit your business. So it's suited for you. You're happy with the look and feel of it. But I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section so you can just have a look at how the service works and how you can make some amendments so it's more suitable for your business. So let's get cracking. So we're going to go ahead and start with the first section at the top and we're going to click on update section. Of course, it's got my company name, which I've already added in, and my email. So let's go ahead and put an email in, Rochelle@drivingschool.com, and let's select show email on site. And there we go. It's now displayed in the top right-hand corner of your website. So your customers, if they're business or potential customers, they're visiting your website, they can easily click on that and it will automatically send you an email. I'm going to go ahead and put in a phone number here. I just came up with that right now. So if your potential customers, they've searched on Google or they've got a link on your social media to your website and they want to give you a call, they literally click on that and it will call them. It will call your business. I'm going to go ahead and put an address in. Let's go ahead and put that and a postal code. Okay, look at that. It's now displayed in the top left corner of my Mighty Sites website. If your customers or potential customers do click on that, it will actually link you to Google Maps and show them directions on how to get to your location. So it's super handy. We're going to go ahead and save that location, make sure everything's saved. And then we're going to go ahead and update our social media links. Now, one thing to touch base on is that a lot of people think their social media sites like their Facebook and their Instagram are adequate enough for their business and they don't even need a website. This is completely untrue. It's false information. You definitely need a website in this day and age. One super important thing to take into consideration is your Facebook page or your Instagram does not belong to you. So basically that Facebook or that Instagram, it could get hacked or it could literally disappear or get deleted. And then all your customer base that you have, your fans, your followers on those could disappear and they can't find you. So that's why it's super important to have a website. This is your marketing 365 days a year, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's super important. So let's go ahead and put in some basic social media here. So we're going to go ahead and put that, and let's do our Twitter account. Feel free to go give us a follow and check out all our content and give us a like. So there you can see your social media icons are now displayed here. Super easy for your potential customers, your customers to click on it and literally head over to your social media accounts, give you a follow. In the same process, you are building your social media accounts, and also they can check out what you're up to and all your awesome content you're putting out, the work you're doing, the products you've created. So we're going to go ahead and save that. There is an option for YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn as well. If there's any other ones we've missed that you'd like us to add, let us know in the comments below. Perhaps you want us to add TikTok because you have a TikTok account for your business. Feel free to let us know. So we're going to make sure that's saved and move along. So this section over here, again, we have pre-written stuff for you to make it super easy. So you launch your one-page website, but you are welcome to go ahead and amend. Perhaps it doesn't work for your business. The image as well are pre-selected, and that's another thing I want to touch base on. With the multi-site service, the images are free to use that you are selecting or have been selected. It does give you an option to choose from images that are royalty-free. No licenses required. You won't get in any trouble for using them. So let's go ahead and do that, and I will walk you through the process. Okay, so perhaps you don't like that title or the subtitle, it just doesn't work for your business. So let's amend that together. We're going to go ahead and put Top Driving School in Denver, perhaps. Let's give that a bash. Okay, we'll keep that as is. And then this handy little button over here, you can link to several different things. So perhaps you have an online driving lesson, but maybe you just want someone to view your rates, view our driving rates. And we're going to go ahead and select choose link. Over here, you can link to another website if necessary, perhaps like a Calendly website so people can schedule their driving lesson with you, or you can link to another location on your actual website. Perhaps you want a click to call button, so you can select that so people can click on it and give you a call or an email, whatever works for you. Another great option with the multi-site service is you can upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file of your driving lesson rates that you want to upload there. Go ahead and select that option and upload it. Okay, so we're going to save that content. Let's move along. And then another option is we can change that image. So again, perhaps this pre-selected image just doesn't work for you. We've selected very general ones. You can go ahead and browse your computer and select one that is on your computer. Perhaps you've got a business image that you've liked, perhaps yourself with students. But otherwise, you can go ahead and select search photo library, and it will literally search images for you using driving school. So there we go, that came up. Let's have a look if there's any more other ones that are suitable. You can also just try different terms and see what works best for you. Let's try driving lesson. Okay, so maybe that one is a good one. Let's select that one. I like that one. Okay, save image selection. That looks great. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and close that. Now, one thing I also want to touch base on is you can amend the colors on your website to suit your business needs. So we're going to go ahead and select this paintbrush, paint bucket, whatever it is. And there are different color palettes to choose from. We are adding more every single day. So perhaps you have a suggestion on a color palette you haven't seen on here that you would want, let us know in the comments below. But we can go through the different colors and just see what works for us. That looks really awesome. I like that color. It really stands out. You don't need to know any website development skills. You don't need to know any color coding. You don't need to know any sort of coding for multi-sites. And that's the beauty of it. You literally don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. We've made it super easy for you here. So that image color works for me. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Wow, that looks great. Okay, let's move on to the next section. This is the About Us section, which you can amend as well. Same process, change the image, change the text if it doesn't work for you by clicking on update section, and it will be up. You can amend it here below, as well as update the image if it doesn't quite work for you, or upload one from your computer or device. Another section, again, we can change this image if it doesn't work for us, and again, browse from our computer or search the photo library. There are hundreds of photos available. They are royalty free. There's no licenses needed. You can completely use them and be assured that it's safe to use on our websites, because of course you can't just go ahead and use anyone's images on your websites if you don't have the rights to them. So we have made sure your mind can be at ease with that. Okay, next section, what we offer, our services. This is the services section where you can put in what you offer. Perhaps you offer car rental, your driving school, or you offer adult refresher classes. This is the section where, again, you can amend the image and put in the information over here. Now, I'm coming up to the last section on your Mighty Sites website. This is the location. So again, people can get directions over here, and your address is displayed there, and it will easily take them to Google Maps. So let's go ahead and update that section. Okay, so over here, this is a service. We can also update our hours, what days you are closed, what days you are not offering services. You can put all that information over here, and then also an action button yet again. So we can go ahead and do that, upload a PDF file. Perhaps you want people to view your rates and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and close that. Now, one of the most frequent questions we get asked at Mighty Sites is, can we link our domain to our Mighty Sites websites? And the answer for that question is you definitely can. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do that, where you can do it. We're going to go ahead and say stop editing and head to the site dashboard. On your site dashboard, you will see where leads come in via your email. So perhaps people have filled in a form. You will get notified by email about that form being completed, and you can find your leads under here. And then another thing, this is where you can connect your domain. So on our YouTube channel, you can find helpful videos on how to link your domain, on our blog as well. But if you are struggling, you can send us a message and we can assist and add Mighty Sites as a user, so we can help you link that domain, get it all professional looking. We are happy to help you with that. Just drop us a message. Hope this video was informative and helped you learn how to create a website for your driving school. I really wish your business mighty success. And if there's any queries, if you think we can improve the service in any way, please let us know in the comments below. Drop us a social media message or an email, however you prefer. We want to hear your thoughts.